Hi everyone, my name is Anirv Serene and I have been a miles and points traveler for the last 16 years. Hyatt is one of my absolute favorite hotel chains and it is something that I have true loyalty towards. Their properties all the way from Park Hyatt New York to Park Hyatt Sydney and all-inclusive properties in the Caribbean are absolutely amazing for families and adults alike. When you try to book hotels through the Chase travel portal or through any hotel travel portal, you will notice that it takes basically 1 cent or 1.5 cents or 2 cents if you're lucky per dollar. So in this case, for example, let's say I want to book a property that's $1,000 a night. It will take you either 100,000 points or in the best case scenario, 50,000 points. But what if I tell you, you can use those exact same points and make it a much better value for yourself? And that's exactly what we're going to do here. First, go to Hyatt.com, so put in your dates, put in the property that you want to go to, and make sure you select the award option. Once you go there, click on each property that meets your criteria and make sure that they have points availability. The Hyatt site isn't the best and can often throw you off or give you incorrect information. So make sure you go to the hotel site itself to show what is available. Once you've confirmed that these hotel rooms are indeed available, go back to Chase, connect or link your Hyatt account. If you don't have one, create one on Hyatt.com and then simply transfer the points over to Hyatt. Hyatt is another one of those Chase partners where you get instant access to your points. But if you don't see it, log out, log back in, and you should have access to all your points. Then go ahead and make that reservation. To learn more, visit aserene.com.